that match could have
Different,
gone
yes,
anywhere.
yes.
So she's been the outstanding player. Always the focus is always greater on batters,
Hmm.
but this is some area. This is one area where I think India in the earlier phase of the tournament suffered because we lost to South Africa, we lost to Australia. It seemed that our bowling was just not good enough. But here it was. We've seen it in the semi-final and in the final. The bowlers also coming good. Yes, the batters did too. So it's a terrific all-round performance. And I share the view which you share along with Chaitanya that Harmanpreet Kaur, that it was a master move to get Shefali to bowl, and that just turned the game around, the momentum of the game around, and from there was only Laura Walhart who stood between India and victory.
Yes, absolutely. This is a lesson or a reminder to captains. Sometimes some players have that energy in a match that everything they do goes well. And it was clearly looking like Shefali was one of those players today because she did very, very well with the bat at the top of the order and really set the stage along with Smriti for that big run, the big total, although at one point it looked like we could get 323, 30. But I'm going to get you more from what's happening as far as the match presentation is concerned. But before that, let's go back across to my colleagues Mayuresh and Yesha one more time. They're in Mumbai. Mayuresh, you were talking to fans earlier. A lot of them had turned up at the stadium. They're all going to be making their way back very soon, if not all together right now, because the presentation is still going on in the ground. But seriously, this is reminding us of that big victory in Mumbai in 2011.
Absolutely, and right now I'm standing outside the Patil Stadium. You can see people are coming in large number because many of them have to catch the train. Many of them have come from Pune, Nasik, near and MMR region. So we'll go across to them. आप मुझे बताएं कैसा लगा?
चक दे इंडिया।
कैसा लगा जब आखिरी विकेट गई?
पूछो मत कैसा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
कहाँ से आए आप?
हम लोग यहाँ खरगर।
We'll go across to some more people. आप मुझे बताइए how was that feeling when you saw the last wicket?
It was really tremendous. I got overwhelmed and really felt very joyed. Thank you, India. You are now new champion.
You tell me.
Tell me, how was the match?
How was the match? Did you like?
Nice. Very nice.
You tell me, sir. What is right now in your mind right now when you saw that last wicket and Team India won the World Cup? The women team won the World Cup.
I mean, we missed in the men's final and ये जीते तो ऐसा लगा यार पूरा इंडिया जीता.
2011 का रिपीट टेलीकास्ट लगा आपको कहीं ना कहीं?
Obviously. And great achievement for the women's यार.
One word for Team India. Let's go! Yeah. First victory, first World Cup victory. Let's go! But what was in your mind when the captain was basically playing that knock? The South African captain was playing that knock.
I was very, very tense knowing that the South, because she already had a performance against England. She single-handedly won and came into the final. So I was majorly waiting for her wicket. Once upon her wickets gone, we knew that India is going to win the World Cup easily.
We have the juniors also. You tell me that. What is in your mind right now?
In my mind is that India won because of the efforts that India took. But even South Africa played very good with Laura having a very good score and yeah.
Did you enjoy the match?
Yeah, I loved it.
So that's
Yes,
that's what the
Mayuresh, I'll come
reaction-
back to you. Let's go across to Yesha as well. But before that, an update for our viewers. Shefali Sharma has indeed been judged as player of the match, but Deepti is the player of the tournament. She has topped the wickets chart, and not a surprise, with a 5-wicket haul in the final, in a clutch chase, she has managed to do India proud one more time. So, brilliant stars that this World Cup has thrown for us, and years of hard work of many of these players is now culminating in this big victory. A thought goes out to Harmanpreet as well, because she has commanded the troops very, very well. She kept taking the right calls on the field. Yes, a few third umpire calls went a little bit away from India, but they were very much in the game all the time. And this has been a great turnaround for them because, yes, the group stages weren't that great. They hadn't beaten England or South Africa or Australia or New Zealand, but they were in the semi-final and they made the last 2 knockout games count. Yes, Yesha, tell us what's the scenes around you?
Absolutely, in fact, right here, right behind me, there are fans who've been cheering for Team India. We see people with Indian flag. First on to you. right here.
I'm so happy because women have done it this time. I'm so happy.
What was the first reaction when the last wicket was taken?
आंखों में आंसू थे, हम और कुछ नहीं कह सकते. This is for India. This is not for men. This is not for women. This is for India.
My love, India!
The girls have done it. The girls have done it. The girls have done it. They have proved that they are the champions, and they have done it once again. Not only for men. Men do also do, but girls. I can't tell in my words. I started crying when I saw that last catch taken. Yes.
Shivering, we have that feeling. Oh my God.
Really. India!
2023 में जो हार्ट हुआ था फाइनल में, जो अहमदाबाद में हुआ था, उसको हम लोग ने पूरा वसूल कर दिया है. जो गर्ल्स ने अभी फाइनल में जीता है, एकदम एब्सोल्युटली बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है अभी.
We have a few women right here, girls here. Tell us, do you think it's a monumental moment going forward for women cricket?
Absolutely, it was required for the new generation, young generation. We are very proud of our girls. Our girls rock.
Yes.
Tell us, we have like this young new generation. When you all were there witnessing the match, who was the one who performed the best here today?
Everyone performed. We support everyone. We support everyone.
Preferably Shefali Verma, because she scored 87 and also she was pretty handy with the ball. She had like 2 or 3 wickets, so overall a great package.
बूंद से सागर बनता है. So every player is important to us. Everyone.
Risha Ghosh was important. They are playing before semi-final. Australia knockout for 34 runs. That is a very crucial runs. And today was also 24 runs, 2-6 and 2-4 runs. These are important runs, man. If she is not working properly, that times they are failure, because they are working properly. Because against the Australia, that is a very tough team. That is very good. Everyone's good, but I preferably choose for Risha Ghosh. They're properly working like MS Dhoni. They come to the last 5 overs and just hitting the 6 and 4s.
And if you are remembering everyone, then please remember Arundhati also. Her knock against New Zealand was very important. And
Clearly, people recollecting previous matches like we were just discussing, the last overs similar to reminding people of Dhoni. And right here, yes, we have a lot of women, taking forward the whole, the women speaking about how it is the next generation for a new Indian women cricket team.
Yes, absolutely. In some ways, I agree with that fan there that some of the heartbreak that we faced in India in 2023 when India was in the final of the World Cup but lost to Australia after being unbeaten in that tournament. Some of those ghosts have been exercised maybe today with the ICC Women's World Cup title. I want to go across to Mamta Mabin, who's a former India cricketer, joining us live now. Mamta ji, thanks a lot for making time. सबसे पहले तो I just want to ask you, for the benefit of our viewers, as a former Indian cricketer, what do you